Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring the hardware of our VC Series PLC products. The VC series includes the VC1, VC3, and VC5 lines. And the VC1 series consists of two models, the VC1 and the VC1S. The latter for economical and special use, which can't be extended for higher performance. While VC3 boasts high-performance Ethernet capabilities, and the M means motion control with interpolation, cam, and flying shear features. The VC5 series offers highly integration and supports EtherCAT, Ethernet, and Connipin. Let's take a closer look at the hardware details. Take the VC5 as an example. The top left has an Ethernet and an EtherCAT port, and on the terminal block it has our S485 and Connipin ports. And then we can see input ports of X0, X7, X10, X17, X20, X27 in order. In the bottom section, here is a Type-C port for debugging and program downloading, and a 2.4V power supply port, followed by outputs Y0, Y7, Y10, Y17, and Y20, Y7. The round port is for our S232 communication, a switch for run and stop beside, and then two dip switches of terminating resistors for our S485 and Connipin. Down below it is a button battery for data storage. This section are indicators for input on the top, for power and fault in the middle, and for output on the bottom. Now let's review the name codes. VC is for VEICHI PLC, 1S for non-expandable models, 1 for economical models, 3 for high-performance models, 3 for motion controller, and 5 for bus control. The number 16 means inputs, followed by outputs, both in 2 digits. M signifies the main module of the PLC, and E, the extension module. Next is the power input indication, A for 220 CAC, or it can be 2 for VDC. And the output indication, R for relay and T for transistor. The last number reminds us if it is a standard product. Then we will elaborate the products one by one, VC1 first. From this page we can see that it has 3 pulse outputs of 20 kHz, 8 pulse counters among 5 kHz, 10 kHz, 8 counting interrupts, 6K steps of program capacity, and ports for our S232 and our S485. The maximum data retention during power failure is 2000 words. VC1S is an economical model without any extensions available. While on the VC1 models, users can add extensions as they want, like one more Ethernet or our S485 on the left, and up to 15 modules on the right, 8 for special functions. VC1 has 3 upgraded pulse output of 100 kHz compared to VC1S, 8 high-speed counters with 2 at 50 kHz and 6 at 10 kHz, programs of 6K steps max, a Type-C port, and a maximum power down storage capacity of 2000 words. There is a customized model under VC1, of which MAER1 indicates the integration of 2AI and 2AO, to PT indicates the integration of 2 analog temperature input, and MAM for TC indicates hybrid output methods. From the sketch, we can see that integrated modules are designed on the right, and their addresses are assigned by system register. Then we will go over the VC3 products. It supports Ethernet, 8 pulse inputs and 8 outputs, user program capacity expandable to 6 for K, 1 terminal for our S232, 1 terminal for our S485, and 1 more our S485 extendable on the left if needed. Type-C port, of course, and unlike the VC1 series, Connipin communication, and stronger storage capacity for all of the data during power down. It also supports Modbus master, slave and TCP socket. The VC3M series features to linear and circular interpolations, flying, chasing shear and pulse control functions with its dual-core processor. While the VC5 series products can control over up to 48 EtherCAT buses, 60 for real and virtual axes, and 72 EtherCAT slaves. It covers various control modes like absolute position, speed, torque, jogging, interpolation, cams and flying, chasing shear. Program is upgraded both in its capacity up to 200K steps, and in more languages of LD, SFC, FBD and Street. Then it comes to the extensions, which is applicable to all series except VC1S, 1 on the left and 15 max on the right, with 8 for special functions. The communication modules on the left are our S485, Ethernet and 4G IoT for option, and cables and power modules are listed below. And these are I/O extensions of various specifications, 8 inputs and 8 outputs of transistor or relay, or 16 inputs or 16 outputs respectively. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.